of honeymoon is this after school, what I call burnout. You're going to maybe see a meltdown, but it's really a burnout. And this is totally a thing. This is the kid who has a great school day. They may follow all the rules. They actually might be wound up too tight, and that's why they fall apart at home. And so you may see more of this in the beginning. Some kids will honeymoon, and some kids will like fall asleep at 4 o'clock. So school can be exhausting for lots of neurodivergent kids because they're working so hard to do all the things they're supposed to do and to stop their impulses and to pay attention. So reducing weekday demands and allowing kids to recover after school, saving stuff for the weekend, or only scheduling things that bring them joy that they love, is what to do that first month. Notice any sleeping, eating, or mood changes and kind of adjust accordingly because those are often can be due to stress. And then communicate what you see in your kid to their teacher. Because even if everything is fine at school, if your kid is falling asleep at 4 o'clock every day, they're leaving it all in the field. So you want their teacher to know it's very effortful for them. You want them to be able to realize that this is hard for my kid, even though it may not look hard. And that's just one point of communication you can have with your child's teacher.